But here's the advice I'm going to give all of you who are struggling with or celebrating. It depends on where you are on the spectrum. People are having a very broad range of responses. In order to have this conversation, I would invite you to get very, very clear on your needs, your feelings, and your values. And there's a video on YouTube about the difference between values and needs. And I would encourage you to go back and watch that video. We have universal human needs for protection that everybody is saying that they're getting behind. It's just who we're protecting and what we're protecting. And the strategies we're going to use to meet those needs will tell you about your values. Okay. And you want to find a way to detox as much of the demand energy as possible if you're trying to change people's perspective, whichever way you're going. If you're trying to change somebody's perspective, the best way to do that is to open their hearts, because people vote for what they care about. And what you're going for is a change of heart, not a change of mind. And the mistake that most people make is they want to go in with a lot of forcefulness and a lot of research and a lot of facts and a lot of data and a lot of intellectual arguments. And that's all good. That is a piece of it. But the missing piece that is needed for change is getting people to care about what you care about. And people do not open their hearts when they feel like they're under attack, either way. So get in touch with your feelings, get in touch with your needs, and get in touch with your values, and then find a way of speaking from that place with conviction, with clarity, and in a way that invites people to be willing to shift. And the other thing you could do is you could take there's a couple of trainings that I have, the vaccine conversation. We went through all kinds of the 5 ego defenses that you come across in people and how to work with each of those ego defenses. That's in that training, the vaccine conversation, how to have difficult conversations, vaccine edition. And then there's also the emotional strength training. How do we get the emotional capacity to do that work when we're feeling super triggered, wherever you fall with the content. But that would be some additional training for how to do those conversations.